And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:13 this morning, and we're looking at your hour-by-hour forecast, and I'm stopping at 9 a.m. because until 9 a.m., there's a chance of fog, especially in Cameron-Wilson County, where it's actually not just light fog, it's dense fog. We'll call it mainly light fog for Hidalgo County, but heads up, places like Wesco are seeing some dense fog right now. Meanwhile, there's barely been any fog at all across northern Hidalgo County and out in Starr County. So the chance is there, but not everyone will see it this morning until 9 a.m. Now, a lot of the dense fog probably gone by 8 a.m., but I think there could still be lingering fog in spots till 9:30. That said, at 9 a.m., though the fog will be gone, I bet it's still going to be cloudy out there, but I think just temporarily. We go ahead to about 2, 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon, and that's when I think it's going to be the sunniest. Now, there's still going to be clouds around, but we'll call it partly cloudy, and that's why when the sun comes back out, we're going to warm up, and I wouldn't be surprised if the models are underdoing the temperatures. Again, the day before a front gets here, usually the models are too cool. So plan on it being more in the mid-80s. This model is optimistic and saying just low 80s. But I bet that 84 you're seeing in Rio Grande City, I wouldn't be surprised if Rio Grande City ends up in the upper 80s this afternoon. So add a few degrees to these temperatures for the afternoon. But notice dry at 3 o'clock. That said, for the homebound commute, I do have to mention the beginning of our rain chance. We're seeing a couple sprinkles out there early this morning, and I think a couple sprinkles could return for the homebound commute, but obviously a lot of us are probably going to be dry. When's the best chance of rain? That's probably not going to be until about 11 o'clock, midnight, 1 a.m. That's when the front gets here. So notice at midnight, it's still not that chilly, mid to upper 60s. But when the front arrives, it's going to get windy. The winds are going to shift to the north, and our temperatures, they're going to tumble. So when you're heading out the door tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., mid-50s, but windy. So it's probably going to feel like the low 50s out there. You're definitely going to need a jacket for tomorrow morning. And then look at tomorrow afternoon, how we do not warm up much. We're going to see highs in the low to mid-60s, even though, notice, there's barely going to be a cloud in the sky. But because it's still going to be windy, especially through the mid-afternoon hours tomorrow, again, maybe not feeling any warmer than about 60 degrees. So you're probably going to be wearing a jacket all day tomorrow, which you absolutely are not today. Maybe with a few spots in the low 60s or maybe a light jacket, but you will be taking it off this afternoon. 85 will be our average high in the valley. Cloudy this morning, foggy this morning, especially in Cameron-Wilson County, but becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. A couple sprinkles early this morning where there's fog. That does happen when you have dense fog. Sometimes a few sprinkles are possible. And then again, late this afternoon, a few showers are possible, but a lot of us are going to stay dry today. And there's not going to be much wind during the day. Winds are only going to be 5 to 10 miles per hour. And even early this evening, there's not going to be much wind. Winds are going to be around 5 miles per hour. But when that front arrives around midnight, then it's going to get windy, and we'll start to see gusts around 30 miles per hour. The best chance of rain is about 11 o'clock midnight with the front. Isolated showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, but it's pretty unlikely. It's more likely to be showers, and not everybody's going to see the rain. The rain chance does vary a little bit, but eventually everybody's going to get chilly. Lows around 55. The best chance of rain is near the coast this evening. A 50-50 shot of seeing those showers and maybe a stray thunderstorm. 40% chance for Hidalgo County, northeastern Starr County, just a 30% chance for the area that needs the rain most, central and western Starr County. And then a heads up for tomorrow, because the humidity is going to be so low and because it's going to be windy with gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, we're under a fire weather watch from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. No outdoor burning. Make sure those cigarettes go in the ashtrays, and even avoid parking your car in tall grass. Make sure you're parking over pavement or on dirt, not in any tall grass. Even a hot tailpipe could cause a brush fire to start and spread quickly tomorrow. We'll be right back after, no, we're going to go to Michael this time.